I'm Bante, and tonight I'm your host. Your host, Watson, the MC, called me and he said there's some emergency in the office. So I'm the emergency replacement. My role in managing this meeting includes making sure our meeting starts on time, and also making sure we end on time, and make sure that whatever we promise to do, we finish all the business within the time. And for that, I need all your cooperation. First, do all of you have the yellow piece of paper, which is a program sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you look at the program, you will know that 6:45, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, we just started the meeting. Right? Now, I shall present after this introduction an opening address, followed by at 6:54, we have a very most amazing, beautiful, gorgeous young lady to conduct an impromptu speech session. Do you have the pen, the script that I prepared for you?
Wow.
Do you need it?
Why not?
Okay, I think I didn't bring it in a while. Okay. Okay. No, never mind. What you'll do is Chong-Lim will read this part while I don't bring the script. Okay, following here. I will bring the script ready.
Those late comers, have you got the ang-pao? We're supposed to get an ang-pao for them. Everybody call it.
Alright, so
Yeah, correct. Total ticket.
I'm taking over from here.
It's the $30 million amount.
So the club president shall present opening address at 6:50 as per our schedule. Following that, at 6:54 p.m., the photo session will be conducted by Dawn, and you'll be invited to speak on random topics that she will give you. Yep. Then we'll take at 7:31 we have a special presentation on how to craft a speech by Fernando, our star. Fernando Yang, oh I'm sorry.
On the moon.
Today is the moon. Tonight. Alright. Then we will take a 7-minute break at 8:03. After that we'll come back and continue at around 8:10. Where 4 people will be presenting their prepared speeches. So after each speech, the format is somebody will be invited to provide an evaluation, and the purpose of the evaluation is to help the speaker to become more effective. So to evaluate the evaluator, Fernando Yang will also be giving his input. So the responsibility of the speech evaluator is he or she will share the parts of the presentation that was done well, the parts that they like, invite the speaker to consider what can be done to improve, so give some recommendations, suggestions for future, and to encourage the speaker to take the next step towards becoming a better speaker. Yep. Then the master evaluator, which is Mr. Fernando Yang, will provide his feedback, sharing the final points on how to present effective evaluations. So yes, we are very privileged today to have most highly regarded public speaker and highly sought after trainer as our master evaluator once again, Fernando Yang. And at 9:10 p.m. we will receive a report on how we fare using the time allotted to us. So as what Mr. Gay has mentioned at the start, we'll be keeping to this schedule like clockwork. Hopefully we'll be able to have time and finish all the things on our schedule.
Just one small change. After every speaker,
Yeah.
straight away the timer will give the report. Immediately.
Oh,
Immediately after the speaker will give, so that everybody will know.
Yeah, how long? Oh, when we don't have the yellow card, green card.
No, after
Yeah,
the
yes, yes.
speaker will give the report immediately.
The list items are.
oh, you mean this?
You want me to provide?
Alright, okay.
So,
You can do it. But the script. That will be. Okay. The timer will give a report after each speech to tell you how much time you utilize, and then compare against how much time you were allotted and will tell you whether you exceeded the time or not. Now, that's what these people will do, right? But what is your role as the audience sitting there? Alright, you have a role to play. Okay, the role is to provide a nurturing and supportive environment for all your friends, because it's really frightening to be speaking in front of a crowd. So you're going to encourage one another. How do we do that? Right, clap your hands. Yay, show how you clap your hands. Right, you clap your hands, and then you also nod your head. Yeah, smile, encourage me, smile, nod your head. Okay?
Yes.
So this is your role. Now, come to the part, she showed me the card, then my time ended. Now I'm going to move on to my next role as a club president. Then I got 3 minutes to talk to you. This club is a laboratory. Right? You come here to learn. You come here to try. You come here to practice. And very often you will fail to meet your own expectation how well you should do. But that's okay to fail here, to pick yourself up. Sometimes your friends laugh a little bit, but that is fine. Because it's a lot better to fail here and learn your lesson than when you go out in the real business world. You can actually close the sale, right? Or if you want to date beautiful Celine, she will actually go out with you. Right? But it's no point not learning the skill, not knowing what to do, and then you go out, you ask a girl, may I kiss you? And then you got slapped. That's why Fernando's face every time very chubby and rosy. Okay? So it's important to keep on trying and don't be afraid to fail. Okay? Fall down, you get up again, fall down, you get up until you become champion in persuading girls to go out with you, persuading the man to marry you, or persuading somebody to buy your service or product. Right? So that is the purpose of this club. Now I want all of you to make full use of this opportunity since you come here to participate in all the activities. And the next item on the agenda, you have a chance to do that. I want everyone to volunteer very quickly. Then beautiful Dawn propose to you. Wow. A topic. Okay, let us welcome to manage the impromptu speech segment for the next 35 minutes. Amazing, beautiful, charming, Dawn Hua!